So for example 2, we are going to be solving x squared minus 6x plus 8 using is equals to 0 using completing the square method. So to solve this, we are going to rewrite the equation and bring 8 to the other side of the equation. So that will be x squared minus 6x is equals to minus 8. It's plus 8 here. Once it's come to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 8. So what we do here now is we half and square the coefficient of x. So half and square the coefficient of x and add it to both sides. Now in this example, the coefficient of x is minus 6. So when we talk about the coefficient of x, that is the number before the x or beside the x. So it's minus 6. Take note of this minus. If it is plus, you can just call it 6 or plus 6. But now there is a minus before it, so we pick it with the minus. So half and square the coefficient of x. So let me do that on this side. So if we pick the coefficient of x, which is minus 6, for us to half it, that means we divide it by 2. That's over 2. Then to square it, bring it together and square. So we are going to add this to both sides of the equation. So that will give us s squared minus 6x plus 6 divided by 2 all square equals to minus 8 plus minus 6 over 2 all squared. So moving forward, here we are going to have s squared minus 6x, okay, I forgot the minus here, plus, so minus 6 over 2 is 3, so that will be minus 3 all square. Then for this side equals to minus 8 plus, so minus 6 divided by 2, that will give us minus 3. Now minus 3 square will give us 9, so that's plus 9. Don't forget, at this point we don't, the square should still be there. We should not omit the square. So the next thing we are going to do here is, so this equation here, we are going to rewrite it as x minus 3 square. Now if we should expand this x minus 3 square, it should give us s squared minus 6x plus, into brackets, minus 3 square. We will still get this back. So let's continue. So minus 8 plus 9, that will give us 1. So from this place, what we are going to do now, we are going to find the square root. Find the square root of both sides. So doing that, that will be x minus 3 all square is equals to 1. So let's look for the square root. So this square root will cancel this square. So right here we have a plus or minus 1 for the square root on this side. So that will give us x minus 3 is equals to, so the square root of 1 is, so that will give us plus or minus 1. So here let's make x the subject of the formula. So we bring minus 3 to the other side of the equation. So that will give us x is equals to 3 minus 3, when it comes here it becomes plus 3. So there's no need writing plus here. 3 plus or minus 1. So now let's place the equation. So that means we'll be having x is equals to 3 plus 1. Also x is equals to 3 minus 1. So that will be x is equals to, so 3 plus 1, that's 4. So our value of x is 4. And x is a 3 minus 1 is 2. So you can see that using the completing the square method, we are able to get the root of the equation, which is x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. So the next example, which is example number 3, x squared plus 4x plus 3. So I want you to attempt that and let me know what your answer is. So kindly attempt it and let me know what your answer is using completing the square method. Or maybe I should just give you the answer. So the answer to question number 3 is, so the value for x is -1, and our x also is -3. So kindly attempt question number 3 using completing the square method, and let me know if you arrive at x is equals to -1 and x is equals to -3. So in the next part, we are going to be solving question number 4.